Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So just came back from work, got my bike here, got my bag here. So my battery got fixed as well because I met someone and they repaired it for me for free. So thumbs up to those people, really appreciate it. Yeah. And yeah, now I'm gonna just trying to balance the phone is not very easy. There we go. It's actually balancing on the cable. Well, you see it fell over. So, yeah, it's not working. Oh, God. I just need to do that. That's better. Alright, so I have decided, like, in this video, just to show a little bit my cooking and so what I bought today is, got myself a cheap cola. I need some sugar sometimes, and it was discounted. A half a chicken for basically, I would say, less than $3. Pretty cheap, to be honest. So I'm gonna have that with some pasta tonight, and I do have the bread, so I'm gonna make some sandwich using the chicken as well, because a half a chicken for one meal pasta is a lot. And obviously I'm gonna make them warm, like on a pan, and we got some toast cheese as well. Pretty cheap stuff. I already ate actually one already, but because I didn't have breakfast, I went to get so let me try to show you. So there is that's Italian sausage, there's bread, and there's a creme fraiche sauce and the garlic sauce. So I ate one sausage already, so that's gonna be probably today's food. So yeah, and I have been thinking as well, actually, to, how do I say it, just film like maybe once a week or so, because I don't have a schedule for videos. I love filming for YouTube, so I'll film when I feel like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna concentrate on my job, taking a studio apartment for myself, and leave this outdoor lifestyle behind for some time. And because I do want to make get a driver's license and take a van in the future, but I just want an apartment because I've been living outdoors so long time, so I think it's time, and I'll still film for YouTube even if I have the apartment. I just go outdoors camping, and yeah. So as you can see, there's a little bit snow. It's been snowing little, but not a lot, so. But I'm probably gonna bring you back when it's dinner time. So I'll see you all at dinner time. See you soon, everyone. What's up, everyone? Oh, let me put you here. So it is actually dinner time, but I said to myself, just gonna have a sandwich, warm it up on a pan. So need a little bit oil. Let me move this a little bit. So that's my stove. Tiny bit oil. It's a little bit, it was frozen but not anymore, so. And then I'm gonna take 2 slices of bread, place it there. And we're gonna take cheese. So just simple cheap cheese. Get that on there. And now comes the good part, which is chicken. Oof. So let's get the chicken on. And then I'm gonna just warm it up, both sides, and later put some sauce with it. And I'm gonna enjoy that because I'm really hungry. And take some skin as well, some chicken skin. Alright, now I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit down. Let's see where's paper. Alright, so that basically will be dinner. I'm gonna leave some chicken for tomorrow, actually, so I need to start burning this here, and yeah, so we're gonna use matches because I put the alcohol in there. So, and it turned on already, and then we just take it and yeah, wait until it gets warm, and then I'm gonna eat that. And yeah, this will be it. So it will be my dinner, and then I'm just gonna watch some more videos. And oh, there's a hair. Let's get that out there. So yeah, this will be the dinner, and it's not actually like really cold right now. Even you see from my breath, but it's actually probably like 0 degrees, -1 max. And I'm wearing the hat as well because my lamp, there's one place is broken, so this keeps it for me to use very good, the lamp. But yeah, I'm gonna cook this up, warm it up, and then put some sauce on it and cut it in half and eat and enjoy and watch videos. So thanks everyone for watching. If you do want to contact me, all info is in video description. And just to say, I probably will not approve any more comments because of hateful comments and so on. So yeah, when the next video is, I don't know yet. I don't have a plan when to film whatsoever. I'm concentrating right now of me getting my apartment and take the life from there. But I'll still be filming camping video maybe once a week for the YouTube. But yeah, alright, have a good night everyone, and I'm just gonna cook it up and enjoy this evening. See you in the next one. Bye bye everyone, thanks for watching.